welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're making a very simple spaghetti recipe. I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. So we're doing spaghetti with tuna fish. First up is you're going to get a nice big pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a clove of garlic just to aromatize it. Fry it in there for about a minute and you're going to take it out of the oil. Then you're going to put in 1 large grated carrot. So this is a serving for 2, so 1 large grated carrot is enough. Fry it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you notice that the carrot takes up all the oil, so put in another 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you're going to put in your tuna fish. So 120 grams of tuna fish is enough. So just break it up and fry it with the carrot for another 5 minutes. After that, you're going to put in your cherry tomatoes. So this is about 12 cherry tomatoes cut into quarters. Spread it around. You're going to put in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and you're just going to gently mix this together. So to help cook the tomatoes just right, after you spread them around, you're then going to just cover this up with a lid. And you're going to cook this for about 4 minutes, but turning it from time to time to make sure that your tomatoes do not burn. So after that 4 minutes, your tomatoes are cooked just right. You're then going to add in your olives. So this is about 20 olives cut into half, a bit of parsley and salt to taste. And you're just going to mix this up together for about a minute on medium heat. On really low heat, actually, medium heat, no, on low heat. So this is what we're looking for. We're then going to set this aside and prepare our spaghetti. So get a nice big pot, boiling water, salt to taste, and you're just going to put in your spaghetti. Please don't break it up. So cook the spaghetti until it is just right. So our spaghetti is cooked, it's al dente at this point. I'm then going to just start scooping it up and putting it into our pan on very low heat. So putting everything into the pan, for me I consider this more of a spaghetti salad because you can eat this the following day and it will taste just as good as it is. So mix this up, it looks really good, it looks amazing. I hope you're really going to try this. So let's just plate this up and see what the finished look will be. So scoop out some spaghetti, put it on a plate. And then you're just going to put on top your mix, which is your olives, your tomatoes, and your tuna mix. Just throw it around. It doesn't have to be perfect. Sprinkle a little bit of chopped up parsley and you have a picture perfect meal. But that meal that also tastes really good. So buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.